Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a little tips and tricks of the purpose of a black eyeshadow primer, and I do like using this for certain looks, just to create a little bit of a more dramatic effect. And I'm going to be showing you how I apply a few different types of eyeshadows on top of it. So on Fridays, I am going to do a little bit of, eye looks and stuff like that, especially with my hooded eyes. I don't have that much eye space. I wish I had that much eye space with none of my predominant brow bone. But without any further ado, let us get into it. Alright, well, welcome back. I already applied the eyeshadow base to one side just so you guys get an idea of what it looks like. It can tend to be a little bit messy, so I always do this application first before doing my foundation. Yeah. So let's go ahead and apply the other side. Never ever be afraid of this stuff because it is great. I think black, white, and just like a nude eyeshadow base is necessary to have in a kit, especially for if you want to do like a very dramatic night, or it's a dinner night or whatever. So it is tacky, which I love, and all you gotta do is just even everything out. Wow. Damn. Okay, so and then you just go in, clean it up, blend it out before it sets. And the black eyeshadow base that I am using is from NYX. Very affordable, gets the job done. Another trick you could do is also a black eyeliner. My favorite is actually Perversion from Urban Decay. Anything from Urban Decay is actually my all-time favorite, kind of, but it grew, so just clean it up. Then going in with a blending brush. This is from MAC. Had this for quite a while, and just really buff up the edges. There you go. And then just add a little bit more where you want it because it tends to fade a little bit. Really want to focus on the eyelid. So really get in there. Alrighty then. Now that we got that down, go back in with our eyeshadow brush and just buff everything out. And the two palettes I'm going to be using today to really just amplify everything is going to be the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette, which is one of my favorites, and then the Bobbi Brown Ultraviolet eyeshadow palette. So there you go. Get it to what you want. All right, now the Fenty Beauty Galaxy eyeshadow palette. Yeah, it broke. So that is, I'm a little aggressive with it, I guess you could say. Let's go in with the shade, because I've been feeling purple lately. Cosmic Ocean is the blue. Ultraviolet, no, Space Out. Let us try. Let's do. There's one color I haven't even. Let's try Sublime, which is this one right here. Gonna go in with my finger and just really apply that on. There you go. With that black eyeshadow base, this is really gonna intensify the these type of eyeshadows, especially glitter or pressed glitter. Really goes on well with this. Wow, this is actually a gorgeous color, as you can tell. Ooh, damn. I don't get why I've never played with that before. And let me actually go in with the Bobbi Brown's Ultraviolet, and let me actually just put this this one in the crease, which is higher ground. So just tap in. Just put that in the crease. And just to really be able to buff it out. I know the Galaxy palette is extremely glittery. That's why when I play around with this eyeshadow palette, I always do my eyes first. Actually, when I got into doing makeup over 13 years ago, I always started with eyes first. Force of habit, don't know why. Nobody ever taught me. It's just something I decided to do. Just in case if there is fallout and stuff like that. So, all the way to the brow bone, or up to the crease. That is such a gorgeous green. Wow. So, buff that out. And then for the brow bone, let us do this guy right here, which is white noise, I think. And just do that right there. Granted, I don't have any eyeshadow primer all the way up to my brow bone, which I usually like to do, but it is what it is. And just build it up to the right amount you want. Then go back in with this guy again. This one. And if there's no fallout, for some reason, for me, if there's no fallout, then I don't think the eyeshadows are going to perform very well. That's by my own personal opinion. So, go in, clean it up, sharpen out the edge. Whew, that is actually a gorgeous green. You can play around with that more often. So there we go. Bam. The Sublime. It's actually nice. I like that actually. I think I need to do a green series of green eyeshadow looks on my page. Alright, so now next, let us go in with the Ultraviolet. Whew. Packaging is phenomenal. Alright, so for this one, let's get it all greasy. Let us go in with this guy up here. This one. Which is Strange Magic, and it's a chrome metal eyeshadow. I actually did a look with this. Actually, let me go in with my brush, fluffy brush first, and this matte, or this purple, which is called Electric Plum. With my brown eyes, I love purple eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set that in the crease. And a little bit onto the brow bone. So I specifically love doing dramatic eye looks on me just because I could get away with it. Not a big fan of doing subtle on me because it's just a little boring to me. Perfect. Oh, ooh. Okay, so now this guy right here. Don't know if you guys can see. Focus. Well, whatever. You get the idea. So I am actually going to go in with my finger and oof. Yes. See? Sometimes a black eyeshadow base just literally makes everything a lot better. Let me go with that Electric Plum again and just really get into the crease. Actually, let me go into this black as well. Right there. Up into the crease. I love palettes that come with black eyeshadows. I have a lot of black eyeshadows, but I can't even begin to tell you how many times I would forget a black eyeshadow. So I do appreciate that it does come with a black eyeshadow. So right up into the crease. Literally getting into my eye socket. And I think that's as far as I want to go. So back to the white noise for the brow bone. And the great thing about using anything lighter shades for the brow bone is that you're able to kind of blend out the harshness. Ooh, oops, wrong one. Of the eyeshadow if you came up too high or if it's just bad blending. There we go, see? And then now, all you got to do is go in, clean up. Boom. So, there you guys go. I am not going to go full face. I'm not going to do that yet. But there you go. And then easy as that, you got like 2 different types of smoky eyes or dramatic eyes. So it's just something you need to play around with, get comfortable with. Let's do a little bit more right in here. But yeah, black eyeshadow base, in my opinion, is essential to have. Just in case you want to be sparkly, editorial, anything like that. Let's do this right in here as well. I personally love different types of texture. I also love incorporating a white eyeshadow base. And it's good just to have variety, just in case, you know, a special occasion comes up or you want to do something different. For people who are at home, I would suggest to just play around with it, get used to it. And then with this, let's just smoke it out. So going back in with the black. Right along the rim. Rim the eyes really good. And it's connected. Perfect. Actually, let me smoke it out more with the electric plum. Ooh, yes, there we go. I think this electric plum would really pop out more, especially with the white eyeshadow base. There we go. For the other side, I'm going back in with more of this brownish shade. And of course, I would definitely line it with a little bit more of, ooh, let's try that Sublime. Now let's keep it with the brown, this shade. Really start to connect it. And then I would probably rim my eyes with maybe like a green or a dark brown, or if you really want to be dramatic, then do a black. And then this side, I would probably rim it with a very deep dark purple, a black, or anything like that. And there we go. Smoked out. Easy peasy. I hope you guys learned something. So every Friday I'll do tips and tricks with eyeshadows and stuff like that. And Tuesdays are strictly complexion. Different types of way of doing complexion. Different types of way I like to apply complexion for me, for my models, for my clients and stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoy. It's Friday night. Smoke it out. And don't forget to... You wear the makeup, don't let the makeup wear you. And by that I mean be confident in the looks you make, because it could tend to be, it can make you a totally different person. You know, subtle, natural, not really. Or, you know, just very smoky, dramatic, sultry, you know, mysterious. Alright guys, I hope you learned something. Play around with it. Don't give up. Blend, blend, blend. I cannot begin to tell you just to practice blending. Bye.